located in the #1 factory of Kingvac. Today, let me take you to understand the production workshop of Kingvac through this video. Follow me to have a look. Let's go. First, we come to our hardware department, where we have fully automatic hardware one-line production lines, automatic welding of handle, automatic temperature measurement, lead-free vacuum pumping, and other advanced equipment and production technology. Next, we come to the injection molding department, which is an important place for us to produce plastic products, such as lids and plastic cups. Next, we come to the painting department, which carries the task of all surface treatment processes. We can carry out automatic painting, automatic plastic coating, 3D printing, heat transfer printing, sticker pasting, demo pasting, and other processes in need of diverse surface printing. Walking across the bridge, we come to the packaging workshop, where the finished product is finally completed here.